What I'm going to be doing is doing a little bit more emphasis on these AI robots that actually cut grass. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to introduce them each individually, one at a time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce to you somebody that's going to talk a little bit more about the product itself. But I wanted to show you guys before we got to it, just this cool little area on how they're operating. These are completely autonomous, but they work over GPS, which is a little bit different than a lot of the conventional past cutters that you use. And let's go ahead and see a little bit more about it. Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm here with Shane with Yard Force, and he's gonna give us a little bit of information about this AI lawnmower that you can use pretty much for if you live in a residential area and you're just sick and tired of cutting the grass all the time and you want something that's gonna knock it out while you're at the luxury of just watching your favorite movie inside on a hot summer day. So let me go ahead and turn this over to Shane. Shane, how you doing?
Yeah, awesome. So we launched these several years back in Europe. So this is a fully autonomous mower where you basically got a couple of different versions, but you bury a boundary wire and this mower will go in throughout that boundary and cut up to about 3 acres. Cuts every day, razor thin blades, basically cut the grass into clippings to help nourish the yard, fully autonomous. We step up from this mower to one that we're launching later this year where you don't have to bury a wire. One of the major concerns and problems with the one you're seeing there is it cuts randomly like a Rumba, like an inside mower. This one actually cuts, you can set it to cut straight so you get those nice cut, grass paths throughout the yard. And it can also be used where you don't have to bury a wire. It's up to 4 acres on a charge. It
4 acres.
Just goes 4 acres.
And can you tell me about that smaller unit?
So smaller unit, so this retails right now for around $800 on HomeDepot.com,
Wow.
Amazon, others, right. So it is obviously a little bit smaller, more economical. You do have to bury a boundary wire, but it's similar to what you would do with the dog fence where you bury it so you can get around those delicate beds. This one does not have cameras, but this one, the step-up feature, another one that I forgot, it actually has cameras up here. So it's receiving satellite signals. It's a ton of features packed in. It's currently in Europe right now, performing very well, and we can't wait to bring it to the US market.
So does it have like an app where you actually control the boundaries from satellite view?
It does have an app.
Wow. So what about, so where can I pick these up? I can pick them up on Home Depot?
Yep, Depot.com. We're gonna have Amazon, Walmart, Sam's Club, so they'll be anywhere you want to shop, most likely, it's gonna be there.
Sounds good. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot. So I'm here with Olivia, and she's going to talk a little bit more about their product.
Hi guys. So I'm going to do a really brief introduction of our Yuka machine. So as you can see, this is our new version for the robotic lawnmowers. And here are the things that we got really stunning here. So first of all, this is our 3D vision, which is it's more like a human eyes. It can protect kids and pets when the machine hits them. And also this is our sweeper kits. So for the sweeper kits, it can collect the debris and leaves and then dump it automatically, which is really easy for you to use and brings a lot of great convenience for you. So how you install it, it's you have to pull it out first and then unplug it, pull it out, and that's how the sweeper kit looks like.
That looks really easy to pull apart. That's
exactly.
there. I noticed there's brushes there. Can you explain a little bit more about the brushing that's there? Is that what's brushing it off the grass itself?
No, the brush will not come back to the bag. Only the leaves and debris will go to this bag here.
Okay,
Yes.
understood.
Yes.
So can I also use this to pretty much get leaves off the ground too as well?
Yes.
Oh, that's
of course.
interesting.
Yes, definitely. And now I'm gonna pull it back. And then we're done. And then, yes, that's how sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's how it looks
You're
like.
good. Can you lift it up for me? I would love to see the bottom of that.
The bottom, okay.
So Olivia's gonna go ahead and lift up the bottom, And I
That's
want to take a
how the
look at kind of
bottom-
how the blades are.
So that's how the bottom looks like. We have on 1, 2, 3, 3 razor blades, as you can see here, and 2 discs.
And are those replaceable? Do you come with like kits to replace them?
Unfortunately, we don't have any kits. However, these 2 discs and the razor blades are replaceable.
Okay.
You can just like unscrew it.
I noticed
from this
that.
part. Yes.
So where would I be able to get replacements for that?
You can get like the razor blades from anywhere.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So it just takes any conventional razor blade.
Yes.
Okay,
Exactly.
excellent, excellent. I do like that. I love
And
that.
also, the Yuga is for the small size, for the small yards. Sorry, yes, it's for the small yards, smaller yards.
What do you recommend as far as the yard size?
Can I say like in centimeters, like starting from 600, meters square, to 10 to 1,500 meters square. Yes.
Awesome.
And the price, yes, the price starting from $13.99 to $19.99.
Can you tell me a little bit
Yes.
about how it's fenced in? How does it know to stay within my yard?
How?
Yeah, so how does it, is it through GPS or?
Oh yeah, sure. So you can come this way. So this is the RTK station. And we have another solar panel, but we're not showing here right now. So the solar panel can charge for the the solar panel can charge for the RTK station, and then the RTK station can send or transmit the signal to the satellites, and then the satellite transmit back the signal to the machine, which is here. And then the machine can use the GPS to so you can use the GPS to set the boundaries, like of your yard.
So what you're telling me is that you also have a full-blown app that'll actually be able to help me configure my yard.
So you can use Alexa and Google Home to control this machine.
I really appreciate that, and what I'll do is, well, everybody, thanks a lot for tuning in over here. I hope you guys like this presentation of the Mammotion. And Olivia, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you guys.
Hey everybody, so I wanted to introduce to you the Luba 2, which is available on Amazon, and it is Mammotion's AI robot that requires absolutely no digging in the ground. It operates completely over GPS, as you can see over here. So in your app that's provided, you can actually set the parameters online for you, and so it could cut your grass. Now, what I also like about this unit is that it can park itself and charge itself whenever it needs to get charged. So it completely operates and cuts your grass as your lawnmower for your yard. So I wanted to introduce to you. It's a really awesome machine. They have a whole assortment of them. They have another model that's coming out right now on Amazon in the next month or so, but this one right now is all-wheel drive, and it's able to scale embankments at an exceeded rate. So I'll go ahead and let you guys take a further look on it, and let's see if this is something that'll help you guys out. Thanks a lot, everybody. I'm here with Brittany with Hygreen, and I wanted her to talk to you a little bit about the product itself and the company and what they're offering as far as their AI robot. Hey Brittany, how you doing? Go ahead and tell me a little bit more about the GoMo.
All right, so here we have the GoMo on its charger. One single battery charge lasts about 3 hours, or the equivalent of cutting half an acre of your grass. The GoMo senses when it's starting to lose charge, and it will make its own way back to the base for a recharge. It runs off of solar-powered GPS, so when you first get the GoMo, you're going to get our app, walk the perimeter of your yard, and you're going to teach the GoMo the area of lawn that it's going to be cutting. It learns trees, pools, any obstacles. It can also learn multiple lawns, front, side, backyards. The GoMo is designed to keep your grass at a nice, consistent, even, well-manicured height, so you'll be cutting more frequently and just shaving off the top bit of grass, and it goes right back on top as mulch fertilizer for your grass, which is great for it. One of the best features of our GoMo is going to be the price point at $19.99. It makes it more accessible than some of the other ones on the market, and it allows you to have more time for yourself and less time cutting your grass.